After drinking this particular juice, your head, your eyes, your immunity system, your body are no longer be the same again. Okay, hey everyone, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? On today's video, I'm showing you guys how to reduce weight and how to look healthy. The first thing that we are needing or we are slicing is our celery. You all know that celery is packed with a lot of nutrients, a lot of antioxidant. It helps you to reduce inflammation, and it helps you to is a great source of vitamins and minerals. Okay, a lot of health benefits on celery. It can help you to stimulate your hair, helps you to reduce lost memory, a lot of benefits. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be adding my carrot. Carrot juice is an incredible nutrition that can help you to boost your immunity system. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Carrot juice also can help you to improve your eye health, and it can help you to prevent and strengthen your skin. Okay, I'm going to slice my carrot, then add it to my bowl. Add a little bit of ginger. So ginger is also good to boost your immunity system as well, and it's really nice and it's good for your skin, your health, and a lot more. Okay, I'm going to take out some part that is not good on this ginger, because we are going to be blending this way. I'm not going to peel off the back of this ginger. This is how we are going to be kneading it today. Okay, yeah, then after that, I'm going to be adding the celery, the ginger, and carrot to my blender. The next thing that I'll be adding is my sesame seed. Sesame seed as well is good for your health. It can help you to boost your immunity. It can help you to stimulate, it can help you to strengthen your skin and all that. Okay, the next thing, I'm going to add little bit of sesame seed, then add my water. Add water to your taste, the way you know that it's going to blend for you very well. Then after that, you can go ahead and blend everything together. So guys, after blending our juice, the next thing I'm going to do, just take out my strainer, then strain or squeeze out the juice. Then after squeezing out the juice, the next thing I'm going to do is just take your bowl or your cup, anything you want to use in drinking, take it, then place your juice in, and yeah, we are good to go. And this is what we have for today. This juice is really good, guys. It can help you a lot on your diet. It can help you to improve your high health, and it's really nice to boost your immunity system, and it can help you with your fat, and it can reduce your fat tummy as well. Okay, yeah. So the next thing that we are going to do now, I'm going to drink this juice and see how it's going to taste and look like. Okay, you can use honey. After blending, you can add honey to yours, or squeeze a little bit of lime. But me, I don't want to add lime or honey to this particular juice, so that's why I drink it like this. And this tastes really good, and it has a little bit, it's bitter, so it has a little bit bitter. I don't know how to put that word. So yeah, you understand what I'm trying to say. So you can drink it with honey if you don't want to drink it this way. Okay, because it's a little bit bitter, so yeah. Yes guys, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you all. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please do consider to subscribe to my channel, so whenever we upload a video about flat tummy, lifestyle, and vlog and beauty, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, all right guys, bye, and I'm going to be see you all on my next video. Bye guys.